Brother makes color printing easy and affordable for your business. Brother genuine replacement toner cartridges deliver low-cost printing in color and black and white. Helps you spend less time waiting for documents and more time focusing on your business. Brother delivers business quality output for presentations, correspondence, reports, proposals, and more. Automatic duplex printing helps save time and paper usage. Adjustable tray for letter or legal-sized paper. Easily handle alternative media print requirements, including envelopes. Add optional trays to expand capacity and minimize refills. Ideal for high-volume printing. Touchscreen display for easy menu navigation. Simplify printing from popular business cloud services. We give you connectivity choices. Wireless printing from a variety of mobile devices is perfect for on-the-go work groups. Protect your sensitive documents and data and restrict device usage. Keeping sensitive documents and data secure is a top priority for any business. For years, Brother printers have consistently been winning awards. That's what At Your Side is all about. The smart choice for your document workflow and imaging needs.